Hello, amazing people. Welcome to another video. So, happy Republic Day, guys. So, today we thought of doing something creative and came up with this idea today. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an Indian flag very easily using Python. So, now let's move on. But before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So, let's have a look at today's agenda. We'll cover the basic of Turtle and we'll see how to create an Indian flag with Turtle. So, what is Turtle? Turtle is a pre-installed Python library. It enables user to create pictures and shapes by providing them with virtual canvas. The on-screen pen that you use for drawing is called as Turtle. The Turtle has three attributes: location, orientation, and pen. You can move the turtle in four possible directions, that is, forward, backward, left, right. If you wish to know more about it, you can refer to the turtle documentation. I'll attach the link in the description box below. Now that you are familiar with the agenda and have acquired basic knowledge of Turtle module, we can move forward to the coding section. It's time to code. So let's head over to our VC Code editor and let us start by creating a new Python file. I'll name it as flag. In order to access the Python library, you need to import it in your Python environment. So we use the following command to do so. So we have to import turtle. Now that you have imported the Python library in your Python script, let's start by creating a new instance of turtle. So I'll name it as flag equal to turtle.turtle. Make sure to give capital T here. Now let's define some properties. Flag.speed. Let's give it 3 here. And flag.pen size. Let's give 5 here. So let's understand this now. I have set the speed as 3 using the speed method. That means the flag will not just appear on the screen. The drawing will have some animation, and I have set the pen thickness to be 5 using the pen size method. That means it will slightly be bold. If you want to change the background color, you can also use the BG color method. By default, it's white. Since I am using it to create an Indian flag, I want the background to be white. So I'm not changing it. So now let's define a function for movement. Let's call it draw. You'll understand its relevance later. So pass in two coordinates here as x and y. So flag dot pen up, flag dot go to xy coordinates, and flag dot pen down. Now let's divide the flag into three parts: the Ashoka chakra, the green rectangle, and the saffron rectangle. So let's start with Ashoka chakra. So we need to cover 360 degrees and we have 24 strokes. That makes it equal to 15 degree. We need to draw a stroke forward, trace backward till 15 degrees and draw a stroke forward and then trace backwards till 15 degree. Again move forward, trace backward till 15 degrees and move forward, and we have to keep repeating the process for 24 strokes. So let's code it out. So let's run a loop here. So for I in range, and let pass in 24 here for each of 24 strokes. Now first we were moving forward. So let's give flag dot forward here. And I am passing the length of each stroke as 80. Now we need to move backward. So flag dot backwards 80. We need to trace back the same length, and now we need to tilt by 15 degrees. So flag dot left 15. Now let's run a Python script to see what we have got so far. So here the turtle is drawing 24 strokes. So we need something to hold the screen. So here, let me give turtle.done here at the end. Let's save it and run our script again. So now we are able to hold the screen. Okay, let's cross it. So we need to make the chakra blue in color. So I'm gonna go for this color right here and specify it as my properties. So flag dot color. Now let's save it and run it again. So now if you observe our flag, the Ashoka chakra in particular is blue in color. Let's draw the circle now. So now we call the draw function because we want our circle to start out from the edge, not from the center of the stroke. So let's give here draw and passing the coordinates 8, comma minus 80. I'm going to make use of circle method to draw circle. So flag dot circle. Now I have to pass in two parameters here. So we need to consider the same length as the stroke length for the radius of a circle. So 80, 360. Let's save it and see what we have got so far. Okay, so here are 24 strokes in blue color and here's our circle. So Ashoka Chakra is ready so far. So good. Now part 2, the green rectangle. So if you observe, now a turtle head is pointing at the bottom of stroke in right direction. So let's work on the measurement now. So breadth we are taking as 200, that makes this as 200 as well. Now if we go for length, we can take it as 800 or maybe let's go for 700. The half of it becomes as 350. So if we move forward in 350, then we need to trace backwards twice as much, that makes it 700. Then now if you observe, we need to shift the cursor direction, so we tilt it by 90 and next to move forward by 200. Again we shift our cursor by 90 degrees and we move forward by 700. We again shift the cursor by 90 degree, we move forward by 200. That completes our rectangle. But that was just the outline. We need to make use of green color here. And to fill the rectangle, we'll make the use of begin fill and end fill method. So let's head over our VC code editor to code it out. So let's first give the color. So flag dot color. Let's make it green now. Next, so flag dot begin fill and flag dot end fill. Now let's put the code in between here. Flag dot forward 350, flag dot backward 700, move to right by 90, then again flag dot forward 200, now move to left by 90, flag dot forward again 700, now move to left 90, now flag dot forward 200. Again, lastly, we have to move left by 90. Let's save it and run our Python script and look what we done so far. Okay, this looks good. Now, part 3, saffron orange rectangle. So, if you observe, right now a cursor is pointing at A and we want to be at B. So, its coordinate should be minus 350 and 80. So, we move it to 180 degree right and then we move forward by 700. We move it to left by 90 degrees and move forward by 200. We again turn by 90 degrees and move forward by 700. We turn 90 and we move forward by 200. That should complete our saffron rectangle. So now let's code it out. So if you observe, our cursor has moved to point B. So flag dot begin fill and flag dot end fill. Now flag dot right 180, flag dot forward 700, and then flag dot left 90. Then flag dot right 200, again turn by 90, and then forward by 700 and turn left by 90, and finally move forward by 200. So let's save it and run our Python script. And what we got so far. That's all for this video, folks. I hope you liked the video. Like and share it with your friends and connections who are interested in learning Python. If you wish to connect with us on social media, the link is available in the description box below. I will be back with more such videos. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.